Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 61 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we are fitting a side panel to the back of the car. But before we do that, we've got to get the speaker fitted to it. So we've got this bit that goes in there, like so. Only go two ways round. That goes that way round, like that. We are using EP screws for this bit. We're going to need 3 of them. Not 4, 3. Stay in there for later. One will hold that speaker in place just like that. And the other 2 will hold this panel in place on here, over there. Go one way round because it's all the moulding and the shaping. That goes in there like that, and the 2 other screws will hold that in place. One in there. Come on, you know you're doing it. There we go. That's that. And the other one there. Those in there nice and secure. Just like so. And then we need to fit that with 3 DP screws. 1, 2, 3. And that is being fitted to what we were dealing with last time, the whole body panel piece. So this is going, where are we? This side or this side? Won't fit that side, it's got to be this side. That's going on there just like that. You've got 3 holes that fits into. With the speaker right at the very back, like so. So that is going to be 3 screws going in from underneath to hold that in place. So let's tip that over that way. One in at this end that I can see and easily reach if I get it located in the right place again. There we go. That one, and then the other 2. And once that's done, get that in the right place. There we go. I'll get these all in and tightened up off camera, because that is another issue done. Next time I shall return and do basically the same thing on the other side. So I'll get that tightened up and then we'll be ready for the next stage. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build. I'm really liking getting back into it now. So thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye for now.